Shoppers who love speed love the all-new Dodge Challenger. The Dodge Challenger is a retro-styled muscle car with all of today's high-tech performance features. And there's no better place to buy your next vehicle than at Westbury Jeep Chrysler Dodge in Jericho, New York. When you buy from us, you become a lifetime VIP for free. That means you get free oil changes, free New York State inspections, and free towing, rescue service, and loaner car if your vehicle needs repair. Visit our interactive website at www.westburyjeep.com to see pictures and bios of our friendly and knowledgeable sales staff. See our huge inventory of new vehicles. Check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. And discover why we're the #1 new Jeep Chrysler Dodge dealer in the Northeast USA. We're conveniently located at 100 Jericho Turnpike in Jericho, New York.